Welcome. If you've ever wanted to take control of your X formerly Twitter feed by managing muted words, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to find your muted words on X using your PC, following the latest update. Whether you're looking to review, edit, or simply see what you've muted, these steps will guide you through the process. First, open X from your web browser and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look over to the left side of your screen for the navigation menu. Here, you'll see an option labeled More. Go ahead and click on it to reveal additional settings and features. Next, from the expanded menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will open a new page where you can adjust all your account preferences. Now, look for the section called Privacy and Safety. Click on it to access privacy-related controls for your account. Within Privacy and Safety, you'll find a subsection named Mute and Block. Click on this option. This area is dedicated to helping you manage what you see and don't see on your timeline and notifications. Now, click on Muted Words. This is the place where all the words, phrases, hashtags, and even emojis you've chosen to mute are listed. Here, you can view everything you've muted so far. If you want to add new muted words or make changes, you can do that from this page as well. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily find and manage your muted words on X using your PC. This feature helps you create a more personalized and enjoyable browsing experience, letting you filter out the noise and focus on what matters most to you. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your customized X timeline.